Here's a 2014 Ford Fusion. Respond to the mundane with this stimulating Fusion. It has the composed ride, sharp handling, and safety features you're looking for in a midsize sedan. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, auto dimming mirrors, heated steering wheel, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and front heated and ventilated leather sport seats. Edmunds.com finds its light steering yields ample feedback, and the whole package changes direction with remarkable ease. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.